heavy-duty drywall anchors are exactly what you need to keep your wall hook from wobbling. All you need in addition is an electric drill or a screwdriver. You can see here, this is where my wall hook was as wobbly as this one until it actually fell out of the wall itself. You can install these with either a screwdriver or an electric drill. I'll be using an electric drill. You just place it in the center, push it into the wall, and make sure your drill is rotating clockwise. Next, I'll be taking my wall hook hardware and I drill it right into that anchor. If you look closely, you'll see this when I tighten will hold onto the wall hardware. Place it over and I just tighten the small screw with my Allen key. And just like that, my wall hook is nice and secure.